Financial freedom isn't just about money and time, it's about discovering the true meaning of your life. Waking up without an alarm, living on your own terms sounds amazing, but then what? Freedom is like a blank canvas. How you fill it is entirely up to you. Traveling, creating, giving back to society. True happiness isn't measured by how much you earn, but by the impact you make. The doors to financial freedom are open. What will you do with this opportunity? Welcome to Finance School. Today's topic, what will you do after financial freedom? Let's go to our video. Let's ask the most important question that could change your life. What will you do after financial freedom? Just asking this question to yourself can awaken that deep desire, that hidden power within you. But finding the answer isn't so easy, because this question could be one of the most important ones that shape our entire lives. Let's set off on a journey together. Imagine waking up and realizing your alarm didn't go off. You don't have to get up right away. You don't have to go to work. You don't have to make money. For most of us, our mornings start the same way. The alarm, rushing to work, trying to meet deadlines. But financial freedom comes into play right here. Now, you are free from the stress, the one who controls your own life. At first, this might feel like a dream. You can sleep in, enjoy your coffee slowly, or spend hours doing whatever you like. But after a while, something happens. A question begins to rise within you. What now? Many people think financial freedom means endless vacations, luxurious lifestyles, and complete relaxation. But what happens when that becomes boring? What happens when you wake up one day and realize that simply being free from work isn't enough? This is when true freedom begins. The freedom to create, contribute, and find purpose. First, it's important to understand this. Financial freedom doesn't just give you money and time. It gives you an opportunity. But in order to take advantage of that opportunity, you need to set aside the old ways of thinking and beliefs that have been limiting you. For years, we've been told that making money is hard, you have to work for it. However, financial freedom completely changes this mindset. Now, money starts to follow you and works for you, but how your life shapes up at this stage is completely in your hands. When you think about making more money or not having to work, the first thing that comes to mind might be comfort. But over time, that initial excitement will slowly give way to different questions. What should I do? Do I really have all this time? This is where you'll make the decisions that will give your life meaning. Financial freedom is not just an end goal, it's a shift in perspective. The things that used to drive you, fear, stress, obligations, are now gone. Now your life is defined not by necessity, but by choice. And that is both exhilarating and terrifying. Setting goals is the first step towards freedom. Financial freedom is just a goal. But the real question is, what will you do once you reach that goal? Many people, when they achieve wealth and freedom, often don't know what to do with it. The reason for this is that they've dedicated their entire life to a struggle. And when that struggle ends, they face a feeling of emptiness. Taking control of your life means rethinking everything. Many people think that after achieving financial freedom, they will finally travel the world or start their own business. But beyond that, a person needs to have an inner purpose. Freedom isn't just about how much money you have, it's about what you give to the world. A strong sense of purpose will guide you. This could be personal growth, philanthropy, creative expression, or simply living a meaningful life. But you need to actively seek that purpose. What excites you? What brings meaning to your life? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Imagine you're free from money and time constraints. That long-awaited vacation can now happen any time of the year. You can travel anywhere in the world, meet different cultures, go wherever you want. This dream is very tempting. But traveling isn't just a temporary escape. It can be a tool for your personal transformation. Every new place, every new experience will remind you of your inner journey. Many people dream of exploring the world by traveling. But this is just the beginning. Traveling can introduce you to different perspectives and help you rediscover your inner strength. Over time, you will begin to realize how valuable your life truly is. When you are free, It's not just visual and superficial things that satisfy you. Understanding people, societies, and cultures brings a deeper happiness. Moreover, travel can be a source of inspiration. Seeing different ways of life can inspire you to create something new, give back to others, or even start a mission that aligns with your values. But the key is to travel with purpose, not just for leisure. After gaining financial freedom, many people dream of starting their own business. But freedom isn't limited to creating your own business. Truly being creative is about unlocking your potential, making music, writing, starting a project. This not only gives you freedom, but also offers you the chance to give value to others. Imagine, now you have the time to write the book you've always dreamed of, or turn a hobby you've been postponing for years into a professional endeavor. In addition, you could start your own charity or participate in social responsibility projects. At this point, freedom isn't just about money, it's about sharing the most valuable things within you. Many of the world's greatest artists, writers, and thinkers did their best work when they had financial freedom, because creativity flourishes when there is space to explore, experiment, and fail without fear. So, after financial freedom, what will you create? Financial freedom also comes with responsibility. Getting richer and gaining more isn't just about focusing on yourself. It's about contributing to others. Many successful people say that serving society and adding value to it gives them a sense of meaning, because true freedom is measured by the legacy you leave behind in the world. After achieving freedom, you can share your success with others. By sharing your experiences and knowledge, you can help others follow the same path. Contributing to society allows you to discover your true purpose. Some people choose to mentor others, some start charities, and some invest in causes that align with their values. The key is finding a way to use your success to elevate others. Because at the end of the day, true fulfillment comes from contribution. In the end, financial freedom isn't just about money. It's the beginning of a greater purpose, personal fulfillment, values, and contribution to society. When you are free, how your life shapes up is entirely up to you. It might be difficult to know what to do, but what's important here is where the answer to this question will take you. Freedom isn't just about money. It's about what you do with it once you have it. When you have freedom, you'll realize that it's not the comfort or the superficial pleasures that satisfy you, but the meaningful contributions you make to the world. Financial freedom gives you time, but when you know what to do with it, that's when you begin to experience true freedom. This journey can take you to another world. Freedom itself is waiting for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.